Today, let's answer 2024 WAEC theory question 3.
A circular floor of a building is to be tiled with ceramic tiles, each of side 40 centimeters. If the perimeter of the floor is 66 meters, calculate, correct to the nearest whole number, the number of tiles required to completely tile the floor. Take pi as 22 divided by 7. Step-by-step solution. Step 1. Understand the problem. The floor is circular, and we are given its perimeter, which is also called circumference. To know how many tiles are needed, we must first find the area of the floor, then find the area of one tile, and finally divide the floor area by the tile area. Step 2. Use the circumference formula. The formula for circumference of a circle is circumference equals 2 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius. We are given that circumference equals 66 meters and pi equals 22 divided by 7. So we write 66 equals 2 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by radius. To find the radius, multiply 66 by 7 and then divide by 44. This gives radius equals 10.5 meters. Step 3. Find the area of the floor. The area of a circle equals pi, multiplied by radius multiplied by radius. So area equals 22, divided by 7, multiplied by 10.5, multiplied by 10.5. 10.5 multiplied by 10.5 equals 110.25. Then multiply by 22, divided by 7. This gives the area as 346.5 square meters. Step 4. Find the area of one tile. Each tile has side 40 centimeters. Convert centimeters to meters by dividing by 100. So 40 centimeters equals 0.4 meters. Area of one square tile equals side multiplied by side. So 0.4 multiplied by 0.4 equals 0.16 square meters. Step 5. Find the number of tiles needed. Number of tiles equals floor area divided by tile area. So 346.5 divided by 0.16 equals 2,165.625. Step 6. Round to the nearest whole number. Rounding 2,165.625 to the nearest whole number gives 2,166. Final answer. 2,166 tiles are required to completely tile the circular floor.